Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. I'd like to call your attention to what appears to be one of the few times that, in our opinion, providing pure opinions, commentary, speculation under the First Amendment, that the Moscow Police Department, to a certain extent, butted heads with the prosecutor. The details are included in one of the press releases the Moscow Police Department released during the investigatory stages of the crimes. This one is dated December 2nd, 2022. You see the words press release at the very top with the Moscow, Idaho insignia and badges of the Moscow Police Department also at the top of this press release. It is entitled Moscow Living Update, and it states Moscow, Idaho. Moscow Police Department is providing the following information to update the public on the known facts surrounding the four unalivings that occurred on November 13th in Moscow, Idaho. Updated information. I wanted to call your attention to bulleted item number 4. And it states here, we remain consistent in our belief that this was a targeted attack, but investigators have not concluded if the target was the residents or if it was the occupants. We continue receiving inquiries about comments made by Latah County Prosecutor Bill Thompson, who said that the suspect or suspects specifically looked at the victim's residence and that one or more of the occupants were undoubtedly targeted. The Moscow Police Department is the only provider of official information regarding the case. So we could provide some further opinions, commentary, speculation. It appears here that at least as of December 2nd, 2022, that the Moscow Police Department and the attorney who would be the lead prosecutor in Idaho versus Kohberger, Mr. Thompson, were in agreement that this attack was targeted, but there was some difference of opinion whether it was the house or the victims, one or more of them that were targeted, because we see here that the Moscow Police Department has seemed to have taken issue with Mr. Thompson's reported statement here that one or more of the occupants were undoubtedly targeted. And then going to the extent, next paragraph, the Moscow Police Department and the Moscow Police Department alone is the only provider of official information, and that appears to include even Mr. Thompson, the lead prosecutor. So questions still remain unanswered as the case remains largely under seal of was one or more of the victims targeted? And why would the prosecutor come out and say to the world his belief that it's not just he felt that one or more of the occupants of the home were targeted, but that one or more were undoubtedly targeted? Who could Mr. Thompson have been referring to? If you have any thoughts, any opinions, any comments that you would like to share, please leave them here. And until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you so much for joining us here today.